were born to be on display, and I'm hard to read. I thought of you, hoping that the ripples would make you notice me, and now you're here, sunlight on the ripples, somehow you noticed me,
여기 또 핑크 애들.
I don't believe it's all about
블랙 다이아몬드래.
the things that we share. Marry me when the lights go out. You know I'll be there.
아루마를 포스터 하나 봐.
Hoping that the ripples would make you notice me, Now you're here, sunlight on the ripples, somehow you noticed me, Whatever you decide to do, I will keep sending new ripples to you. I thought of you, hoping that the ripples would make you notice me, And now you're here, sunlight on the ripples, somehow you notice me,
도프에 있는 그 종류 아니야? 그 진 모양.
Always on my mind and way out of my league. You were born to be on display, and I'm hard to read. Thought of you, hoping that the ripples would make you notice me, And now you're here, sunlight on the ripples, somehow you noticed me,
문 있어 거기? 네. 네네.
I don't believe it's all about
이 돌 마음에
things
든다.
that we share.
쪽에 데크 까고 이런 거 깔고
Marry
싶다.
me when the lights go out.
하고 가운데 이렇게 올려서 화단 만들고 사이드 이쪽에 장식. 아, 속이 끝났네.
이 집 오니까 설계가
Would make you notice me.
색깔이 흰색이라
Now you're here.
약간 요런 사이즈가 다르게 보이는 게 있으면 서로 예쁘지 않나?
Somehow you notice me.
이걸
손이 약간 핑크로 보이네.
그것도 예쁜 거.
내년에 엄청 홍보했을 텐데.
Whatever you decide to do, I will keep sending new
일 열심히 하고 와.
thought trying not to watch or intervene as tears were streaming down her face, down her face. Try to let it go. Try to let it fall, to let it pass, to let it go. She held in her hand a ribbon of silk, so lightly that it would be caught in a breeze. She whispered words not meant to be heard. She started to shiver, though she didn't freeze. Try to let it go. Try to let it fall, to let it pass, to let it go. Try to let it go. Try to let it fall, to let it pass, to let it go. High above us in the clouds, soaring in the wind, a ribbon